Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about saving Google Docs. So if you're just kind of curious, if you're new to Google Docs and you're trying to find out where the save button is, I'm just going to show you guys that you don't actually need to do that. So if you make any modifications to a document, you should see at the top left corner, it'll say something that says saving. And it should say save to drive. So as long as you have an internet connection, you should be able to be automatically synced up every few seconds. Basically, it's a pretty continuous update. I believe it has an even higher frequency than something like Microsoft Word, which will have to save it every so many minutes. I believe Google Docs, it saves it every couple of seconds. So there really is no need to save Google Docs. However, if you want to save it or back it up to another device, now it won't be synced up, but in that particular instance of whatever you want to save, in that moment, you can select the file and then download option and then download it into Microsoft Word file format, in which case at that point then you could save it to your computer. So just as kind of a workaround if you want to have a backup, I guess, of it that isn't on Google Docs. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.